Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is gambling. In this question, despite everyone's advice, Chef has decided to gamble away his money. Today, he has a dice game to bet on. Chef will roll two die one after the other, and Chef wins if and only if the sum of the two dice is rolled is exactly 7. Now the die are standard with numbers 1 through 7 written on each side. Chef's first roll turns out to be a number A, and we need to tell that what number does Chef need on his second roll to win the game. Now it can be proven that obviously a unique number exists and it is unique. In the input format, will be given exactly one input, that is the integer A representing the number that turned up on the first roll. And in the output, we need to print the required number so that the sum of the two dice is 7. In the constraints, we are given that the value of A will be in between 1 and 6, representing that the die roll was a valid roll. So for instance, if the input was 1, the output would be 6 because 1 plus 6 would be 7 or 7 minus 1 is 6. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of this number A and print 7 minus a because that is the number we need on the second row, right? So now let us see the solution in Python first. So we begin by taking in the input of n as a line first and then converting it into an integer. So we'll take it as a string and then convert that string into an integer using this function and we'll print 7 minus n, and that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing some 3-4 number of operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. We'll begin by taking in the input of n and we'll simply print 7 minus n, and that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity again is constant because we're just doing 3-4 number of operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.